What if I told you that our understanding of the universe has been shaped by a handful of minds over centuries? Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to the Unfathomable Universe, a cosmic playground that has been unraveled bit by the curious minds of theoretical physicists. Theoretical physics, a realm where mathematical equations dance with abstract concepts, is the backbone of our understanding of the universe. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, it's the language we use to decode the cosmic symphony that plays out across the eons. Our journey will spotlight 5 luminaries who have left indelible marks on this grand stage. Isaac Newton, the architect of gravity; Albert Einstein, the prophet of relativity; Niels Bohr, the pioneer of quantum mechanics; Richard Feynman, the maestro of particle physics; and Stephen Hawking, the explorer of black holes. So, buckle up as we journey through time and space with these extraordinary minds. Our journey begins with Sir Isaac Newton, the man who literally discovered gravity. A titan of the scientific revolution, Newton's contributions were nothing short of monumental. His 3 laws of motion, still taught in classrooms today, gave us a new understanding of how objects interact with each other. His law of universal gravitation, a groundbreaking concept, unveiled the invisible forces holding the universe together. An apple falling from a tree wasn't just happenstance, but a profound connection between all masses. Beyond the realm of motion, Newton also made significant strides in optics. He split white light into a rainbow of colors, challenging the conventional belief of his time. In essence, Newton's discoveries were the building blocks for theoretical physics. They laid the groundwork for future physicists, giving them a solid foundation upon which to build upon. His work still echoes in the halls of science, a testament to his genius. Newton's discoveries were just the beginning, setting the stage for a new player to enter the field. Next, we move on to a name synonymous with genius, Albert Einstein. Einstein, the father of modern physics, brought forth a theory that completely revolutionized our understanding of the universe. His theory of relativity, in its simplest form, tells us that both space and time are not as constant as everyday life would suggest. Instead, they are intertwined into a 4-dimensional fabric known as space-time. And then there's his famous equation, E equals mc squared. This might be the most well-known equation in the world, but what does it mean? It tells us that mass and energy are interchangeable. Essentially, a small amount of mass can be converted into a huge amount of energy and vice versa. This concept underpins the workings of the sun, nuclear power, and even the devastating power of nuclear weapons. Einstein's work redefined our understanding of the cosmos, leading to even more groundbreaking discoveries. From relativity, we dive into the world of quantum mechanics with Niels Bohr. A Danish physicist, Bohr was a trailblazer in the early 20th century, shaping our understanding of the atomic world. His model of the atom, with electrons orbiting the nucleus much like planets around the sun, was a quantum leap forward in scientific thought. But Bohr's greatest contribution to quantum theory was, perhaps, his principle of complementarity. This principle asserts that an electron can be both a particle and a wave, but only one of those aspects can be observed at a time. It's a concept that defies our everyday intuition, yet it's fundamental to quantum mechanics. Bohr's work has influenced a broad spectrum of fields, from the microchips in our computers to the power generated in nuclear reactors. Bohr's quantum mechanics opened up a whole new world, but our journey doesn't stop here. Let's turn the page to the charismatic and brilliant mind of Richard Feynman. A maverick in the world of theoretical physics, Feynman was renowned for his unique approach to communicating complex scientific concepts. His most significant contributions came in the field of quantum electrodynamics, where he developed a unique method of visualizing particle interactions. His ingenious invention, known as Feynman diagrams, simplified the representation of these interactions. With these diagrams, Feynman simplified the Herculean task of understanding quantum theories, making them more accessible to fellow scientists and curious minds alike. Feynman's diagrams are still widely used today, serving as an essential tool for physicists around the globe. His innovative approach to physics demystified complex quantum theories, helping us gain a better understanding of the universe. Indeed, Feynman was not just a physicist, but a visionary who painted a clearer picture of the quantum world. Feynman left an indelible mark on physics, and so does our last physicist. Finally, we reach the man who explored the darkest corners of the universe, Stephen Hawking. Hawking's work on black holes and the Big Bang has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. He delved into the mysteries of these cosmic giants, challenging our preconceived notions and reshaping the landscape of theoretical physics. One of Hawking's most significant contributions was his theory of Hawking radiation. In a stunning revelation, he proposed that black holes, previously thought to be utterly dark and impenetrable, could actually emit radiation. This was a radical departure from the established belief that nothing could escape a black hole's gravitational pull. The concept of Hawking radiation not only shook the scientific community, but also opened up new possibilities for understanding the nature of black holes and their role in the universe. These 5 minds have shaped our understanding of the universe in unimaginable ways. They remind us of the mysteries that still lie ahead, waiting to be discovered. From Newton to Hawking, these physicists have taken us on a journey through space and time. We've traced the arc of scientific discovery from Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation to Einstein's theory of relativity that redefined our understanding of space, time, and gravity. Then we delved into the strange world of the quantum, guided by Bohr's pioneering work. Feynman's diagrams further illuminated this quantum realm, simplifying complex interactions into something we could begin to comprehend. And how can we forget Hawking's black holes, those enigmatic cosmic entities, and his groundbreaking work on singularity theorems? Each of these brilliant minds has expanded our understanding, pushing the boundaries of what we thought we knew about the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we stand on the shoulders of these giants, forever in awe of the universe's infinite mysteries and possibilities. The universe awaits, and who knows what discoveries lie ahead.